Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Collage Weekly Planner. This is week 30, so I hope y'all are doing well. I am working in the Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner book. Look how fat and chunky it's getting. I'm loving it. It is a really fun challenge. Make sure you check below for her link. She has the prompts there. So let us see what's going on with this. All right, so like I said, it's planner week 30. So what she has here is 6 different prompts, okay? She has 5 regular prompts, if you will, and then she has a bonus prompt. So if you don't have one of these, or you don't, even if you don't feel like using it on your page or whatever the case is, you can exchange it for this bonus prompt, or you can use all 6 prompts if you have them or want to, or that's what works for you. So yes, let's just get started. Okay, so for this week we have something maroon, and I have gone through and picked out things from my stash ahead of time. I've been filming a lot of these videos in succession because I should be on vacation right now. So we'll, yeah, I wanted to make sure I had videos for you all, on Fridays, which is when these planner or these collage planner videos come out. Okay, so something maroon. I have this piece of art right here that I just got from an art book, and here is my maroon right there. And I also have an American flag, which, I mean, technically it's red, but it looks kind of maroon because it's like a vintage, like, image, I guess you could say, okay? Graph paper. Oh, I have this right here, which I'll show you how to, this is an origami made out of graph paper, a little pocket. And I learned how to make this by, or from, Jerry Bellini, and she is Recycled Parts for Art, and I will put the link to this below. This is really a super cute, easy way to make a nice little pocket, and you can use it for anything, like your regular journaling and all that. So there's that. Colorful paper. I picked this right here just because it had the orange in it. I know, weird, right? Because I'm using maroon. Okay. Anyway, colorful paper, that's this. It's just an old jelly plate, and we're going to go ahead and cut it here right along the side because I do want that orange. And then we're going to maybe cut the bottom off just so I have a straight edge, okay, to work with. And we're gonna cover up the background like we do quite often. Okay, so there's that. This is my way of technically measuring. I do it with my fingernail, okay, and hope that I don't lose that little nick. But that is like literally how I do it. So there's the nick right there. See, it works a charm. Okay, there's that. And then this, let's see here. So that's gonna go there. Let's make our mark up here. I mean, it's not technical, you know what I mean? But it works. It works for me, okay? It works for me. So we're gonna see where this ends up. I think put a nick there, sort of. I don't know. We'll see. Did I? Yep, there's the nick. Right there. See? Okay, whoops, wrong way. Okay, so let's scooch some stuff over. Okay, wait. Now, I got stuck on the colorful paper. A place, oh, I think I was gonna use the American flag thingy as my place, meaning America, okay? And a portion of a brochure. This, I found this in a book that I have, so I thought that was really cool. And like the orange kind of goes with the orange. And then this, like one of the things was an advertisement, yeah. So I actually cut the word advertisement out, okay? So I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet, but let's just go ahead and start putting these on. Okay, so I'm going to use what I have been using which is my trusty tape runner. And now I'm just kind of doing it in like spots because I don't want to waste my tape, you know? And I don't want to use glue necessarily because I don't want to waste my glue either. Not that it's a waste, you know, but I tend to use a lot of glue, and especially if I am putting down like these larger images, you know what I mean? I don't want to be, you know, using up a whole bunch of tape. That's all there is to it. Let's get down here at the bottom and line it up. Okay, there we have it. There. Oh, that turned out rather well. All right, I like that background. Actually, I love orange. I really should get my jelly plate out. Okay, so we were gonna put this on the side here, I do believe. And again, we're going to use, this is like a thick art book. Whoops, wrong way, Elizabeth. So yeah. So we're gonna go like so. Yeah, so I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you're having fun with these prompts if you're following along with them. I have really enjoyed my time with them. Yeah, I really have. So there's my maroon. Okay. This is what I was gonna do, is I really hate to cover that up, but that's life, you know? I think I'm gonna put, well, because I was gonna put this over here. No, I'm gonna put this sort of in the middle. Yeah. And put this down here. Okay. And then this, I do believe, excuse me, I'm sorry, is gonna go right up there. Okay. So let's assemble this bad boy. All right, let me first show you how to make this pocket, okay? Actually, I'm not going to show you exactly how to make it. What I will do for you though is I will put the link to Jerry Bellini's video so that you can go over to her channel and check it out and watch how you make this pocket, okay? It's basically, it's just out of a sheet of paper. It is an origami fold, and it's a lot of fun to use. When her video of this first came out, I made a ton of them, and they're just fun. You can make them in any size. And yeah, and they are just super fun. Now, what I'm thinking, I don't know. What do you guys think? Because you can answer me, you know. Should I edge this? That's the only thing I'm wondering. That's a whole lot of edging. I don't think so. I think I'm just going to leave it plain because there is enough color going on here. Okay, let's put our Coca-Cola, which is really almost, I mean, Coca-Cola, I'm pretty sure, is worldwide, you know? This actually came from a book I found. It's a beautiful book. And I believe it is from, I'm just over here to my right, using my tape runner, and of course getting it everywhere. It was like South African street art, and it's a really cool book. Oh, for reals, guys. All right. Let's just put this, I think we're gonna scooch it over right to just about to the edge there. Okay, there's my advertisement. Now for this, I think I'm gonna use wet glue. We're gonna put this right down there. So we'll use this wet glue. Let's just make sure that I'm putting it on properly. Again, make sure you go over and check out Jerry's video on how to make these, because they are super cute to make for any kind of journal, any kind. All right, so I'm putting this right down here. Look at me going in the right hand corner. Okay, there's that. And then this is just going just right in there like that. And then we're gonna put this advertisement. We'll use the more sticky glue for that. Put that there. And I think we're just gonna put it halfway, like, ish. I like the way all these colors kind of are mixing and mingling, right? Because, like, I don't know if you can tell, but in this right here, this piece of artwork, there's like orange in that. This is more orange than red. This, of course, is maroon, you know? Yeah, I like this page. Ooh, I do like the way it turned out, actually. Okay, let's get our pen. All right, that was fun. I liked that one. Okay, so we have something maroon. Yes, right here. This piece of abstract artwork, an image of a piece of abstract artwork. Graph paper, yes, right here. I used graph paper. Origami or other kind of folded paper. I used the graph paper to fold into an origami pocket, a la Jerry Bellini. And then colorful paper is the background. Okay, my gel print in the back with picking up on the oranges. Love that. A place, that's why I put the American flag. I just, you know, America. That's my place. Okay, and then a portion of a brochure or advertisement, and that is this Coca-Cola advertisement. So yes, a place and a brochure. So, and I have the word advertisement just for good measure. I like the way that that came out. That was a lot of fun to put together. Again, I really enjoy the simplicity of some of these. Some are harder than others, believe it or not, or more difficult, not harder, I guess, but, you know, more difficult to figure out in your brain, you know, how you want to kind of mesh everything together. I really like the way that this one came out. Yeah, I like it a lot. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. And I will thank you for sharing your time with me. Don't forget to look in the description box below, okay? Margarete Miller's link will be there, as well as the playlist for this whole series. The Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner, excuse me, series, you know, the weeks. All the weeks I have process videos for every single week. And I also have flip throughs on there if you just want to kind of see them just done. You know what I mean? Okay, so also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified the next time a video comes out. Yeah, do that if you want to. And I will thank you again for your time and for sharing it with me. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.